Hello everyone, in this video we are going to make a DIY lip scrub. While making it, I was not sure will it work or not, but it worked really well. So I suggest you to try this. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So for making this DIY lip scrub, all you need is a sugar. White sugar, you may also use a brown sugar if you want to. Vanilla essence, you can use any whichever is available at you. Olive oil, you can also use coconut oil. Red food color, it was not available to me in a liquid form. I will make it liquid before using it, and that's all. And yes, a container to store. For making this DIY, take a bowl. Add 5 to 6 tablespoons of sugar into it. Now take olive oil and add 1 spoon of olive oil into it. I think that's sufficient. After adding coconut oil or olive oil, add half tablespoon of essence, vanilla essence, according to the fragrance you want from it. Now mix them all very properly. All the sugar particles should be mixed very properly with vanilla essence or with oil. So now I'm done mixing it really well. It's a time to add food color into it. I'm using red food color. I have made it in a liquid form by adding water into it. You can use any food color, but remember it will stain your lips. So if you are using blue or green food color, it will darken your lips with green or blue. You can add food color according to yourself, according to how much and darken you need your scrub to be and even your lips. So I have mixed it all over and I am ready with my scrub. So I will now transfer it into a container in which I can store it into a refrigerator or at any place for 6 to 8 months. I'm done with my scrub and it worked really well, and yeah, I'm done for the day. Thank you for watching my video. If you find this video useful, do like, share and subscribe to my channel.